Guys, so today we are unboxing this amazing speaker by Xech. It's called Deskboss. Let's see what's inside. So it has a charging wire. Hey, nice! It has a Type-C port. I think we all are evolving. Okay, this is a special wire that Xech has given for everyone to connect it to their desktop. Manual also, which I almost forgot. This is the manual. It has a warranty card here. Go through it and you can claim your warranty. Let's remove this plastic. This is actually not plastic, it's biodegradable. Okay, this is the product. Looks like a bucket. Futuristic design, guys, and a 10-watt speaker. It has a LCD display here, as you can see, with a lot of buttons for various features. We can see some ports here as well. This is for pen drive, for charging, aux, and for TF card. And the design, how cool is that? I think I'm going to take it to the beach.